Hello student, today we have discussed here about induced electric field. So here we consider this is a cylindrical region. In this region the time varying magnetic field is present here, and we have to find out here induced current. So the time varying, when there is a time varying magnetic field, there induced a circulating induced electric field. These forms a loop, and continuous loops are there of induced electric field. So we know Faraday and Maxwell law equation, Faraday and Maxwell equation, that is induced EMF will be minus d phi v by dt. This is change in magnetic flux, that is equal to induced EMF. So this can be written as E vector dot dl vector closed integral. This is line integral of electric field in closed loop. This would be d phi v by dt, dv by dt into area of loop. This is the area enclosed by the magnetic field region. So we know here the magnetic field is acting into the plane of board, and suppose this magnetic field is increasing. So we point out this pointing vector. This show the direction of magnetic field. So thumb pointed the direction of magnetic field, and our curl finger shows the direction of imaginary current. We consider a loop here, so we consider a imaginary current in such direction. So according to Lenz law, the induced EMF produced in such a way that oppose the change in magnetic field. So magnetic field is, the nature of magnetic field is increasing inward. So it would be by the production of electric field, it would be uh, increase in outward. So we increasing induced magnetic field generate in outward direction. So the direction, so the imaginary current would be in such direction. So the electric field by symmetry would be the anti-clockwise direction. So this is the electric field, induced electric field direction. So we can see here inside the region of magnetic field region, the electric field on moving towards inner radius of the, towards the its circumference, the electric field lines, induced electric field lines, the intensity increases. So electric field inside would be proportional to radial distance, and outside this is inversely proportional. So in this region no magnetic field is here, no magnetic field outside the region, even this region magnetic field exists, and intensity of electric field on moving outward continuously decreases. Here electric field increases, here decreases. So the induced electric field is a non-conservative force, produces nature, non-conservative nature, and non-electrostatic. Because of electrostatic field is originate from positive charge and terminate to negative charge. For induced, for production, for generation of electric field, induced electric field, there is no necessity to be charge is placed. Charge is not necessity or conductor is not necessary present here. Conductor, without conductor it can be produced only by the change of magnetic field with respect to time. So we know electromagnetic waves travel in vacuum. Why? Electromagnetic waves have self-sustaining and alternating electric and magnetic field. This this is because the electric change in electric field produces change in magnetic field and vice versa. So electromagnetic waves travel in vacuum with the speed of light. So the term non-conservative and conservative. The static field is conservative, induced field is non-conservative. Static field on when we place a non-conducting ring having charged ring having some charge, suppose it's have a dq charge and the direction of induced field would be this. So this field continuously do work for moving this charge. So moving charge from its initial position and returning back to its initial position. So some form of energy is different form of energy is here. So the in closed loop the net work done by moving the charge by the induced electric field is not zero here. So work done with not zero to when the charge is traversing in a circular loop. But for conservative electric field, the work is zero to move the charge in a circular path, circular loop. So conservative work is not zero, here work is zero. This is a path function, this depend on path, this is point function or state variable. State variable. So this is work done by induced electric field or work done by static electric field. This is static electric field, this is induced electric field. So this work in conservative static charge is point variable, is depend on initial and final stage, and the system is in initial and final stage of system is in equilibrium, or this is not in thermodynamic equilibrium. Thermodynamic equilibrium is not present here. So here the for non-conservative work the induced electric field dissipates the energy. The energy dissipation in this process. So energy is dissipated here. So we calculate out the electric field, induced electric field inside and outside the region. So inside the region Suppose in this region the time varying magnetic field is present, and we have to calculate out the, this is radius r, we have to calculate out the electric field, r is less than r. This is the condition. So this is a elemental length dl over here. So we know E vector dl closed integral is equal to d phi v by dt. This becomes dv by dt into area, and E dot dr becomes E vector integral dr. So this becomes 2 pi r E vector. So this becomes dv by dt into pi area of the loop, pi r square in this region. So E vector induced electric field inside, this becomes r by 2 dv by dt. This is induced electric field inside the region, that is proportional to r, and outside the region, for outside the region, r is greater than r. This is r. So r is greater than r. So this becomes E dot dl vector closed integral line integral dv by dt into area. So area would be in this region, the magnetic field is present. So this becomes E vector dl dv by dt and area of the loop. This area is pi r square. So this becomes dl 2 pi r and pi r square dv by dt, and this become electric field, induced electric field outside, r square by 2r dv by dt. This is outside, so graph is just like this. This is proportional, r is equal to r, this is line. So electric field versus this is induced electric field. So we take a problem. A region is this, here the time varying magnetic field is there, and a rod, conducting rod AB is conducting rod placed here, length is L, we have to find the potential at AB. So potential, for finding the potential, we know the closed line integral of electric field E into dl, this would be dv by dt into area. So we can find the, this is potential E dot dl, this is potential. We find potential only when the loop is closed. Here the loop is not closed, so we form a closed loop here. So this, let this point is O, so connect A and O and B. So OAB is the form closed loop. OAB is closed loop. So as we know, the induced electric field is acting, the direction of induced electric field is circular loop form, induced electric field, circular loop forms like this. So the direction would be tangential, tangential here and tangential here, and here also along this is tangentially acting electric field. Here the intensity is maximum, here intensity is lesser, in a more lesser, and here is least. Intensity is maximum, so we calculate out the electric field region OA into dl plus electric field into dl region AB plus electric field into dl region BO. That should be dV by dt into area of loop. The area of loop, this distance is suppose B, the height is given B, so area would be L into B by 2, L into B by 2, and rate of change of electric field is given suppose K. So electric potential through E vector is perpendicular here, perpendicular for every length, or length vector is in this direction. So angle between E dot dl would be 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. So potential across OA would be 0 and BO also 0. So potential across AB would be dV by 2, this is K L B by 2. So this is induced electric field. I hope you better understand, and I finish here. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.